If we bought this phone and talked about it, we bought this phone from a store. It is priced at Rs 42,000. We were able to purchase this phone at EMI. A nice colorful design written by REALME. The phone made by REALME is inside this box. Let us open this box. On this cover anymore. Let's check the phone now. Now all the phones come with C-type charger cable. It would have been better if this cable was black cable instead of white. This is where the phone comes in. Let's take a look at this phone. Seen when the phone is taken out of the box. The back side of the phone is yellow and black. REALME calls this color racing yellow.
Now what's in the box? REALME GT charging adapter. Let's see what's in the box. As for this mobile charging adapter, it weighs a little more. We cannot carry anything in our normal pants pocket.
Please subscribe to this channel to see the latest videos we upload. This adapter cable will fade in any color but would have been a little better if it had been black. Bubble comes with a 64MP triple camera made by Sony. Looking at the front camera, the camera on the side of this phone is 8MP. the unboxing video of this phone does not end here. Wait for the new video.
I'm a fool for your love.